Here I've got two fans to show you. This is a standard ceiling fan. Here's the fan at full speed. Moves good air. Oh, gecko. I do find these things cute. I'll turn it off and show you the spin down. That's what I do. I turn it high. I usually have spin down first in the video, but then if I forget, this is what I probably won't do. Medium high. There's the radiator, by the way. It still moves good air. Yes, excited enough to find this in the house. But there's better. Medium low. And low. Oh. Low is basically like medium high. So that's high, medium, low, medium, high. So there's probably something wrong with the controller. Let me see the fan in there. No. And the other ceiling fan in here. It's more exciting. It's this SMC DC42. In another bedroom. And show you now, you got this LG air conditioner. But yeah, it is. Now I think I might have seen an SMC ceiling fan in the Philippines before, but then I just thought that they just changed the canopies, but it's something like a K56 or something. But this this tells me that SMC ships to the Philippines as well. Quite international, they are. Yeah, I quite like this kind of fan. It's nice. I like the I like the white and brass. Though I'd have a 52-inch fan in here, or 56-inch industrial, depending on if I can have a wall controller or not. But if I can't have industrial, it has something like this. High speed is more like a low speed or medium speed. So no, it's not that powerful. Wall switch there, and it's pull chain. It has this growing sound to it. And I would usually turn off the air conditioner if you can't really hear the fan. I can hear the fan. Yeah. Terrible bearing noise. High speed, as you can see, it's more like a medium or a low. When it came in here, it was in reverse, but I helped the man to turn it to forward. Is this medium? Medium is more like a low. Or is that off? Or is there another problem with this fan? That's very slow for a medium. Oh, is it a 2-speed fan? I thought this was unusual. It's an SMC fan. Oh, is that low? I think that's low. I turn on the air conditioner again and there it goes. Oh, it's off. So that tells me that no, that's off. So tells me that it's low. I'll confirm it. I'll see if it actually is low by turning off the wall switch and letting it spin down, and then I'll use this guitar. No, I won't. I use the guitar to turn it forward. It was on reverse when I came here, just going again. Yeah. I sort of like SMC fans in ways. I like their design, but you have to find them cheap and And especially this one, I don't like it that much because it's weak. Last. Okay. Yeah, how it is the guitar. Yep. No low speed. I'll turn it back to medium. That's how I found it. Oh, there's something wrong with this fan. Anyway, there we go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I just found out something about the ceiling fan. This is high speed. There's something wrong with the chain, so you don't have, so you can't really turn it. So it malfunctions slightly. Anyway, terrible bearing noise once again. I gotta do this quick. We're about to go. There you go.